Pelvic clocks are a great beginner exercise to help to loosen off the lower spine, mobilize the pelvis, and start to fire up the deep layers of the core. Start lying on your back in a neutral spine position with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor, and arms resting by your sides. Imagine you've got 12 o'clock on the belly button and a 6 o'clock on your pubic bone. You're going to curl the pubic bone towards the belly button. So the 6 o'clock is lifting and the 12 o'clock is dropping. Then you're going to send the pubic bone away and allow the belly button to lift. So the 6 o'clock's dropping and the 12 o'clock is lifting. You're peeling the spine back and forth, going between the 12 and 6. This movement should be very subtle and very controlled. Shoulder blades should be still. Rib cage should be still. As you're doing this, try to keep the tops of the thighs, the backs of the thighs, and the bum muscles as relaxed as possible. Just rocking between the 12 and the 6.